Hello. In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at dependency types, a key concept in project planning. In project management, a dependency defines the relationship between two tasks and determines the order in which they must be performed. Dependencies are essential for creating a realistic and reliable project schedule. They help you identify which tasks must be completed before others can start, or which can be done in parallel. Managing dependencies effectively helps prevent delays and ensures smooth workflow across the project timeline. Quick Gantt Chart supports 4 types of task dependencies: finish to start, finish to finish, start to start, and start to finish. Each one serves a different purpose. Let's explore them with examples. Finish to start. This is the most common and intuitive type of dependency. A finish to start dependency means that a successor task cannot begin until the predecessor task has finished. For example, you need to finish electrical rewiring before wall painting can begin. This is a natural sequence and the default dependency in most Gantt charts. Finish to finish, useful when multiple tasks need to end at the same time, even if they start at different moments. In a finish to finish dependency, the successor task must finish at the same time as the predecessor. For example, content creation, web design, and web development might all need to be completed by the time content integration is finished. They can start at different times, but their deadlines are aligned. This type is often used when several components must be ready simultaneously for the next phase of the project. Start to start, helpful when two tasks should begin at the same time or closely together. A start to start dependency ensures that the successor task starts as soon as the predecessor does. Here's an example of a start to start dependency shown on the screen. Testing can start as soon as development begins, allowing both teams to work in parallel from the start. This type of dependency is useful when two activities are tightly linked and should progress together, even if they don't finish at the same time. Start to finish, the least common and most counterintuitive dependency type. A start to finish dependency means that the successor task cannot finish until the predecessor task has started. For example, the shutdown of an old system might depend on the startup of a new system. The old system must remain operational until the new one begins, only then can the shutdown proceed. While rarely used, this type can be helpful in situations like system migrations, transitions, or critical handovers. Summary: choosing the right dependency type helps reflect the reality of your project and improves the accuracy of your timeline. Most of the time, you'll use finish to start, but in some scenarios, the other types offer more flexibility. In Quick Gantt Chart, it's easy to create or modify dependencies. Just drag and attach a connector between tasks, and that's it. In the next video, we'll explore how to assign and manage resources, including people, equipment, and effort tracking. Thanks for watching.